In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a recurring Zoom meeting. Start on your Zoom dashboard and look for the Schedule option. Click it to open the meeting setup window. This is where you can set up the details for your recurring meeting. Begin by choosing the date and start time for the first meeting in the series. The first meeting acts as the starting point for all the future occurrences that Zoom creates. After selecting the date and time, check that the time zone displayed matches your own, so the scheduled times are accurate for everyone who receives the invitation. Then choose the meeting duration based on how long you want each session to last. Once those details are set, find the Repeat drop-down menu in the same scheduling window. Click it to change the meeting into a recurring meeting. After enabling the recurring option, choose how often you want the meeting to repeat. Then set the total number of times the meeting should repeat. This determines how many meeting occurrences Zoom will create for the series. If you already know how many sessions you plan to hold, enter that number here so the recurring schedule ends after the final session. If your plans change later, you can return and adjust the recurring schedule whenever needed. After reviewing the meeting details, click Save. Zoom will create the recurring meeting series and return you to the dashboard. Next, go to the Meeting section from the menu on the left side of the screen. This page shows your upcoming meetings, including the recurring meeting you just created. Locate the meeting and click its title to open the meeting details. On this page, you'll find the invitation information for the recurring meeting. To share the meeting with others, use the option to copy the invitation link. This gives you a single link that participants can use to join any occurrence in the recurring meeting series. After copying the link, you can paste it wherever you want to share it. If you would rather send more detailed meeting information, you can also copy the full invitation from the same page. The full invitation includes additional meeting details, while the invitation link provides a simple way for participants to join the meeting. Once you've copied the information you want to share, your recurring meeting is ready. The schedule has been created using the first meeting date and time. The repeat pattern has been applied, and the number of meeting occurrences has been set according to your selection. Whenever you need to view the meeting again, return to the Meetings section from the left menu and select the recurring meeting from your list of upcoming meetings. Opening the meeting details will let you access the invitation information again whenever you need it. That's all there is to creating a recurring Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching.